Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, walk through and review the capabilities of the EdorReco smartwatch. Hopefully by the end of the video you will be able to make a decision on whether this is the right watch for you or not. Inside the box there is the watch, a spare strap, a USB cable to charge the watch, a warranty after sales service card, and the instructions manual. First, you will need to connect your smartwatch to the SmartTime Pro app on your phone. You can watch the video that will appear at the end of this video to learn how to set up your EdorReco smartwatch with the SmartTime Pro app. Now let's have a look at the watch. The watch is lightweight and looks really smart on the wrist. It is also IP68 waterproof, so it can be used when swimming, washing hands or in the rain. It has a good battery life and can last 14 days without charging depending on your usage. The watch uses magnetic charging. All you need to do is connect the USB port on one end to a USB charger and then connect the magnetic end to the charging port at the bottom of your watch. Full charge requires 2 hours from empty. Now let's look at its capabilities. To turn on the watch, press the button on the side. The landing screen will display the time, the date, the day of the week, and the temperature. If you tap and hold this screen, you will have the option to choose another landing page display. To select a display, tap on it. Now from this landing screen, you can swipe up and down and left and right. Let's start by swiping left. Here you will see the steps and distance that you've completed during the day, calories burnt and heart rate. Swipe left again and you will see the sleep statistics such as deep sleep and light sleep. Swipe left again and you will see details of the weather. Now let's swipe right. You will see the messages, calls and social media notifications you have received on your phone. You will need to enable this option on the app in order to see the messages. I will show you how to do this later on in the video. Now swipe right again. Here you will see if you have any schedules. You can set the schedule on the app. Now let's swipe down. Here you can adjust the brightness levels, enable or disable flight mode, enable or disable vibration mode, among other things. Lastly, from the landing screen, let's swipe up. Here you can measure your heart rate, your blood pressure. You can stop or start the alarm. To set the alarm, you will need to use the app. Now, if you tap on the Sports section, you will see 11 supported activities such as walking, running, swimming, cycling, yoga, etc. To start an activity, select it and then tap on it when ready. It will count you down and the activity will begin. To stop the activity, swipe right, then exit and confirm. Now swipe up again. Music will allow you to control the songs playing on your phone using your watch. I will show you later on how to set this up on the app. You can also set a timer, a stopwatch, or trigger your camera shutter using your watch. Now swipe up again. Here you can use the watch to find your phone. This will make your phone ring and vibrate. Now let's have a quick look at the app. Once you've connected your watch to the app, all your stats will be synced. So you will be able to see your total number of steps, calories burnt, distance, heart rate, blood pressure and sleep stats. Now tap on Device at the bottom of the screen. To push calls, messages and social media notifications to your watch, tap on Message Push and enable the app notifications you want to push. To enable alarms, tap on Alarm Clock and add the time and date for your alarm. Shock will allow you to select how many shock vibrations to receive for your notifications. Backlight will allow you to control the amount of time the screen on your watch remains turned on when inactive. If you want to control music using your watch, first you will need to open your music app, YouTube for example, then tap on Music Control on the app, then Confirm. This should cover most of the capabilities of the EdorReco smartwatch. Please like this video if you found it useful. Also, if you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. To learn how to set up the watch with the app, you can watch the video that will appear at the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and reviews on the latest technologies. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.